We all know about oceans and we all know about moons. We know that we have a moon which is called the moon. Earth has only one moon. Now, there are planets in the solar system which have more than one moon. For example, Jupiter has more than 40 moons, so does Saturn, and then the rest of the planets. The thing is, we are looking on Mars as a treasure where life could exist beneath the surface because there could be water there. The thing is, now there are moons of some planets which have more potential of life than the Mars itself. For example, one of the moons of Jupiter has said to have an ocean underneath the surface, and what is the ocean made of? Water. And as the old saying goes on, where there is water, there is life. Now there is a chance of life beneath the surface. But the thing is, how do scientists know that there is water? I mean, they didn't go up there, or they didn't send up a probe up to the surface, and the probe went into the deep rocks to actually see that there is water. How they actually know is that they sent a probe to these planets, and when they orbited those planets, when they passed by the moons, they discovered that through the cracks in the surface, they seeped steam. Now, the steam is made up of water, so they have concluded that there is an ocean underneath some of the moons of big planets. And they expect and they hope to send a probe to that surface so they can go deeper and deeper and actually discover life. The thing is, most of the moons don't have much oceanic history, as they call it. One of the moons have an oceanic history of just 25 million years, which is not sufficient for life to begin. And also, some of the scientists say that the actual life, even if it exists, may be available only under 20 kilometers of ice, unbroken ice. So you have to take 20 kilometers under the surface to see the water and then the life. So it's a hard process, but scientists are working towards it. They want to send probes and actually discover if there is life or not. I don't think so there will be intelligent life just like us, but yes, some molecules or some organic life forms might exist there, and it will be great to see that. I think it can happen anytime within 20 or 30 years that we could be possibly reading about these bioenzymes or all these kind of things on our magazines. And this is for this video. Let's get to see you in the next one.